I just got my box from BeThePro.com. The inch and 1/8 SDS Plus rotary hammer. There's the model number. Gonna do an unboxing video of it. I also ordered this bit with it. But I also got 3 bonuses. A t-shirt and 2 more bits. Now, onto the rotary hammer. Never had one before. Figured I was get something that could be useful. User manual. Whatever this felt pad is for. I'll have to look into what that's for. Reg warranty card. Depth stop rod. Heavy for one hand to hold. Looks very well built. That's metal. A hook. It's gonna hang it off something. Let's see if I can get one of the bits in it. Apparently the white felt is just a rag to wipe bits clean and stuff. And there it is with a bit in it. It's not too hard to get it in and out. Never used one before. Always just used a regular hammer drill to drill some holes, but can't get it out single-handed right now, but there it is. Trying to get it out there. Oh, yeah, that's my unboxing video. So, big thanks to BeThePro.com